Hi, greetings, Levin. Let's try to run at algebra um, revision for exam. Let's look at the first one. Solve for x. Okay, solve for x. How do we solve for x? I'm given. Okay, let me write it down. 2.1.1. Px plus Qx equals to A. But I'm looking for X. What do I have? I have X here. I have another X here. I can take X as a common factor. All right, so I'm going to have X into P plus Q equals to A. Remember, I want X. I'm going to divide both sides by P plus Q. P plus Q. This and this cancel. What is X? X equals to A over P plus Q. Easy, simple, straightforward. Doesn't need you to do a lot of things. Just matter of doing a little simplicity, then you're good to go. All right, let's look at the second one. I'm just gonna try to compress so that I can have all the answers in the same page actually. All right, let's see. Just trying to squeeze everything here so that you can see all right, let's look at the second one. 2.1.2. I am given 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. All right, so I want you to look at something that I want to do. It is always difficult to factorize when the coefficient of x squared is not 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take these 2, multiply by the c. Okay, so meaning I'm going to left with x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. Aha, it is now easy to factorize. So when we factorize, I'm going to look at the factors of 4. Okay, factors of 4. But what I want positive 4. So, but then when I multiply, let me just make a note. I'm going to say the product. When I multiply, I should get positive 4. Okay, number 2, the sum. When I add them, I should get negative 5. Okay, what are the factors of 4? Let's list factors of 4. I have 2 and 2. Okay, 2 times 2 will give me 4, but when I add them, it don't give me negative 5. Okay, this one is out. What about 4 and 1? All right, 4 times 1 is 4. But if other one become negative, other one positive, or all become negative, I can get whatever I want. Wait. Let's check something. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give me positive 4. Minus 4 plus minus 1 will give me negative 5. I am done, dear child. So I'm going to have just do 2 brackets and equals to 0. I have x, I have x. All right. The first one I got is negative 4. The second one is negative 1. Guys, don't forget. All right. Do not forget that we multiply by 2. I'm now returning it back. I am now returning it back. I've multiplied by 2. I'm now returning it back. So check something. I'm going to divide by 2. I'm going to divide by 2. Remember, I just multiplied by 2 and it was out here. But then check something here. I'm going to have x minus 4 divided by 2 is 2. And x minus 1 over 2, which equals to 0. But this is a fraction. I need a whole number. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this 2 here. All right. I'm going to take this 2 here, put it here. All right. I hope everyone is okay. 2x, so that I have a whole number. I do not want the fraction. So what I'm going to have, x minus 2 equals to 0, or 2x minus 1 equals to 0. I believe the rest is algebra. What is x? X equals to 2, or x equals to 1 over 2. This is the nicest method you ever came across. Please try to practice. Let's just re-explain as a quick review. We take these two. Let me use my highlighter so that I don't make my board to be dirty. I took 2 multiplied by C. Then after, I'm now dividing it back. All right. Guys, please try to practice. It makes life easy. All right. Let's move to number 2. What am I given? What am I given? All right. I'm just going to need to reproduce this on a nice page. Okay. I'm just going to zoom it for clear visibility. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see something now. All right, when we are dealing with exponent, let me just give you some basic rule. Exponents equation. Exponents equation. Number 1, always try to write both sides, okay, as a prime base, if possible. Try to write both sides as a prime base if possible. Rule number 2, all right. Make the base to be equal, okay? Make the base equal, okay? Number 3, we equate the exponent. All right. Number 4, guys, please, 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 any number to the power 0 is 1. Do not ever, ever try to forget this, okay? Any number to the power 0 will give you 1. Let's see something. What am I having now? All right. I have 1 over 2 to the power 3x plus 1 equals to 32. I can change 32 into exponent. This will be 2 to the power 5. The power 3x plus 1 equals to 2 to the power 5. But check something. My base are not equal. They are not the same. I have half, I have 2. Check something, guys. If I have 1 over 2 exponent x, what will be this in exponent? This will be 2 to the power negative x. All right, check something. Again, it means 1 over 2 is the same thing as 2. Remember here, there is an exponent of 1, which we don't normally write. Okay, so this will be 2 to the power negative 1. Wait. Meaning this can be written as 2 to the power negative 1 into 3x plus 1 equals to 2 to the power 5. Aha, let's check something. Can we please multiply out by this negative and see something? I'm going to have 2 to the power negative 3x minus 1 equals to 2 to the power 5. I am now on my law number 3. Equate the exponent. Negative 3x minus 1 equals to 5. Can we do maths? Negative 3x equals to 5 plus 1. That will give you 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 3. Ta. X equals to negative 2. Sweet, guys. Lovely. I'm loving this, guys. I hope you also enjoying the simplicity of maths. We just keep on simplifying, making this easy. Let's move. Oh no, all right. Let's see, where are we going now? Simultaneous equation. Okay, just gonna reproduce this as well. 4 marks, all right. 4 marks. Let's try to get these 4 marks as fast as possible. Let's see something now. All right, sweet. Let's see. I'm just going to divide my page. What am I given? I'm given 2 equations. 5x plus 4y equals to 21. And 2x equals to 3 minus y. On these 2 equations, which one will be easy for you? to make X or Y. It's not always Y. We can even work with X being the subject of the formula. I'm just going to choose this. It will make my life easy. I have 2X equals to 3 minus Y. I can now rearrange making Y the subject of the formula. Take everything to other side, or take Y to other side, bring the other one other side. So it's going to be positive Y, it comes this side, equals to 3. This one will come here, become negative 2X. All right, so that's equation number 1. That's equation 2. I like to say this is equation number 3. So I'm gonna work, okay, substitute equation 3 into equation 1. I got equation 3 from equation 2. I can say 2a still fine. All right, so wherever I see y, I'm gonna put this. Let me rewrite it. 5x plus 4y equals to 21. All right, I'm going to have 5x plus 4 into 3 minus 2x equals to 21. All right, please, 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 from here, just simplicity. So I'm going to have 5x plus this time this, that will give us 12. This time this, that will give us negative 8x equals to 21. Can we please try to regroup like terms? I'm going to have 5x minus 8x equals to 21 minus 12. Okay, 5 minus 8, that will give us negative 3x. 21 minus 12, that will give us 9. I'm going to divide through by negative 3, divide through by negative 3. X equals to, that will give us negative 3. Okay, we have x. How do we get y? I'm going to sub x equals to negative 3 into equation 3. Y equals to 3 minus 2x. Okay, y equals to 3 minus 2 into negative 3. Aha, that will be 3 minus and minus. Please take a note. Minus and minus will give us positive. Okay, that will be plus 6. Y equals to 9. Lovely question. I'm loving this. Always make, okay, make x or y. It's up to you. Either you make x or y being the subject of the formula. It's up to you. Whatever can be done easily, please work with it. All right. Whatever works for you, use it. All right. I've seen this other TikTok challenge says, Moses, use it. So I'm telling you, guys, use it. All right. Let's see which one do we have so that we can divide the session into 2. Oh, sweet, lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Let's try to reproduce for clear visibility. Okay. What do we have? Oh, inequality. All right. Let me give you a quick note on inequality. Inequality. All right. The first rule, you only change the inequality sign. Inequality sign when you're dividing or multiplying by a negative. That's where the inequality sign changes. Okay, that's where the inequality sign changes. Let's look given. Okay, we have given negative 11. Oh, okay, wait, less or equals to 3m minus 8 less than 4. Solve for m. I want m. So what I'm gonna do, in order to remove 8, I need to add 8 here, add all the side by 8, so that plus and minus, so check something, I have negative 8. If I want to remove it, I have to add 8, so that the addition gives me 0. So can I say negative 11 is between or 3m minus 8 plus 8. I'm just going to use a marker plus 8 so that you can see the variance, which is less 4. Remember, whatever I do here, I shall do this side. That will be negative 11 plus 8. That will be 4 plus 8. This and this, they will cancel. What am I left with? I am left with negative 11 plus 8. Okay, negative 11 plus 8, that will give us negative 11, 8, that will give us negative 3. I have negative 3, which is less or equals to 3m, and 4 plus 8, that will give us 12. Remember, I want the m. I'm going to divide both sides by 3, by 3, by 3. Okay, ta, ta. M, it is between or equals to this divided by this, negative 3 divided by 3, that will give us negative 1. And then 12, 3, that will be 4. Sweet. The inequality sign didn't change because I was dividing by a positive. So if I was dividing by negative 3, they were going to change. Okay. Hence, write down the number of integers that satisfy the equality. What are they up to? Hence, okay, from the answer, all right, write down the number of integers that satisfy the equation. Check something. I want you to learn this. Remember, we have this. I like to write this in terms of English, but English heavy maths. This is how I write between. This is between. So it means the values of m lies between negative 1 and 4. Okay, between negative 1, right? Between negative 1 and 4. What are those numbers between negative 1 and 4? I'm just going to list, okay, integers. I'm going to list them. I have between negative 1 and 4, I have 0, I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, because it's between negative 1 and 4. But check something. This inequality tells us something. It is less or equals to negative 1. So negative 1, it is included. So here is the listing that satisfies the equation. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. They could also ask you to draw a number line to represent this. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this. I'm just gonna clean this. All right, I'm just gonna draw number line to represent this. That's a possible question you're gonna come across. I'm just gonna draw my number line. Okay, should be the calibrated rather. So I have negative 1 and 4. All right. All right. So it is between negative 1 and 4. But then check something. We said negative 1 is included. I'm just going to make this a dot and have a color of it so that you can see that negative 1 is included. Okay, this is number line. Okay, number line to represent your answer. That's a possible question. You're going to keep on getting there and there. All right. Let's move, child. Let's move, child. All right. Solve for x. Represent your number in number line. This is your homework. Try this alone so that you can see where you are stacking. All right. I have this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 minutes each. Let's see something. Let's just spend 2 minutes on each so that everything becomes fine. Number 1, 2.1.1. Solve for x without the use of calculator. Okay, I have x cubic equals to 9x. Can I take 9 to other side? I'm going to have x cubic minus 9x equals to 0. What can I do? Can I take x as a common factor? Because I have x, I have x. x into, I'm going to left with x cubic, minus 9 equals to 0. Remember, 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. So I have x into x squared minus 3 to the power 2, which will give you 0. What is this? A squared minus b squared equals to a plus b, a minus b. Difference of two squares, dots. So it means I'm going to have x into x minus 3, x plus 3, which will give us 0. So can we conclude our answer? X equals to 0, x equals to 3, x equals to negative 3. You are done, child. 3 marks, 1, 2, 3. All right. You can practice a lot of things every time. When you see the thing of difference of two squares, okay? Difference of two squares, right? All right, so let's just proceed. Let's look at the last one. Let's see something here. Remember, we are solving for x. Don't forget the main. All right, how do I deal with this one? Okay, I have p equals to 3 over 2 x into pq squared minus pq squared. All right, I'm looking for x. What can I do first? All right, let's see something. I'm looking for x. Can we try to remove the fraction? For us to remove this fraction, we have to multiply all the term by 2, both sides, so that this and this cancel. Okay, let me rewrite this in a nice way. We have p equals to 3 over 2 x into pq squared minus pq all squared. I'm just going to multiply by 2, multiply by 2. This and this cancel. I am left with 2p equals to 3x into pq squared minus pq all squared. All right. What can I do? I'm looking for x. I'm just going to divide both sides by 3. I'm taking step by step, divide by 3. All right, divide both sides by 3. This cancel this. What am I left with? I'm left with 2p over 3 equals to x into pq squared minus pq squared. All right, it's now easy. We can see that we have to divide through. All right, take step by step. Okay, take step by step. All right, don't worry about this. I know you guys hate fractions, and I'm gonna show you, but all right, let me show you something. Still correct? Let me show you something. Okay, from here, we divided both sides by 2. I have 2p equals to 3x into pq squared minus pq all squared. I think of something. Can we divide both sides by, all right. Are you aware that 3x can be written as x times 3? Let's try to change it here. I see something. This will be x times 3. And I'm looking for x. I want us to divide same time. So it means here we can have, we're going to divide by 3 into pq squared minus pq squared. Everything divided by 3 into pq squared minus pq squared. Wait. I'm seeing something. This will cancel this. I am done. X equals to 2p into 3pq squared minus pq all squared. Done. Done, child. Done. Easy. Oh, let's try to simplify it furthermore. I see something. PP. Can we say X equals to 2p into 3? Are you aware I have P and P? Okay, I can take P as a common factor even here. So I'm going to have 3p into q squared minus q squared again. So check something. I'm seeing something nice. I'm not sure you see what am I seeing. P can cancel P. Then what are you left with? Guys, math is nice. I'm loving this. You are going to left with x equals to 2 over 3 into q squared minus still fine, guys. Everything's still correct from here. Okay, everything's still correct. You're just gonna have to revisit the video as a revision tool. All right, pause a video, right, take some notes if you feel like, and rewind. Oh no, wait. I think I lost my screen. All right, still fine. Okay, all right. Oh, finally, the last one. Simplify the following. I need to reproduce. Once again. Okay, simplify the following fully. Just need to simplify the following fully. All right, how do I simplify this? I have x plus 2 into x squared minus x plus 3. This multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this multiplied by this, this. X times x squared. I'm going to have the x cubic. X times x, I'm going to have, remember there is a negative in between, negative x squared. All right, x times 3 plus 3x. X times 2x squared plus 2x squared. X times 2 is going to be minus 2x. 2 times 3, that will be plus 6. Let's try to group like terms. Let's try to group like terms. This and this are the like terms. So I'm going to have x cubic minus x squared. Remember this, x squared is the same thing as 1x squared, but we don't advise writing it. The coefficient of x squared is 1. So it's going to be negative 1 plus 2. I'm going to have positive 1, positive x squared. I hope you get it. All right. 3x minus 2x is going to be plus x. I have 6. Done. 2 marks in the pocket. Then you start rolling. Okay, let's look at the last one. Where's the last one? All right, let's look at the last one. 3 marks, 3 steps. Let's see something. I wanna do this on a nice page. All right, my dear child, here is the tip. Whenever you're working with the fractions, what do we use? Treble D, 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 D. I have 5 over x plus 3 minus 3 over 2 minus x. When I say D, 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 this is what I mean. D for diagonal, diagonal, denominator. I'm going to multiply the diagonal. That's the first diagonal. Another D for diagonal. That's another diagonal. The last D for denominator. Okay, let's multiply. 5 into 2 minus x. There is a minus in between. This time this. 3 into x plus 3 everything, denominator, x plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus x. Can we try to expand? I'm going to have 5 times 2, that will be 10. 5 times negative x minus 5x. Minus, oh, there is a minus here, don't forget. 3 times x will be 3x, but there is a minus, okay? Minus 3x. Minus 3 times 3 is going to be minus 9. Over. Can we try to multiply these 2 times x? I'm going to have 2x. X times negative x is going to be negative x squared. 3 times 2, that will be positive 6. 3 times negative x, that will be minus 3x. Let's try to write it here. I have 10 minus 5x minus 3x minus 9. Everything divided by 2x minus x squared plus 6 minus 3x. All right. This is lovely maths. Let's add like terms. 5, 3. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. 10 minus 9, that will be 1. So I have left with 1 minus 8x over. Let's group like term. I'm going to have negative x squared. 2x minus 3, that will be minus x plus 6. All right, we are done there, guys. We are done. Just simple, straightforward, just like that. All right, that's how we do. Let's see if we can have any question remaining. All right, now we have finished all, but I'm just gonna try to add this for your own edification. Let's see something. Number 1, let's say now we have 4x squared minus 16. Factorize fully. How do I do this? All right, the moment you see negative and 2 values, you should think of dots. But then let's see something. How can I write 4x squared? I can write this as 2y all squared. 2 squared is 4, y squared is y times y is going to be y squared. Okay, minus 16 can be written as 4 to the power of 2. Different of 2 squares. So it means this is the same thing as 2y plus 4, 2y minus 4. You are done, black child. Maths made easy. The last one, before I hang my boots, we have this x cubic minus 1 over x squared plus x plus 1. Remember now, I have x cubic minus 1 is the same thing as x cubic minus any number. If I have 1 to the power 3, it will remain 1. So I can now rewrite this x to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 3, everything divided by x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, I'm seeing something. Let's try to create. Whenever I have cubic, I'm going to create 2 brackets. The other one should be bigger. I'm going to drop the 2, x minus 1. How am I doing it? This one squared is going to be x squared. Okay, the sign changes. I'm going to have positive. So what am I putting here? X times 1, right? X times 1. So what is x times 1? That will give you x. The last one is always positive. Negative 1 times negative 1 will give us positive 1. We are done. So, guys, this is so beautiful. I love the simplicity of maths. Let's see here. We're gonna have x minus 1 over x squared plus x plus 1, okay? All divided by x squared plus x plus 1. Wait. this will cancel this. They will only cancel if there is a multiplication. If it was plus, they will never cancel. All right. So I'm left with x minus 1 being the answer. All right, guys. Time up. Time up. I will see you in the next session. For now, goodbye and keep well. This is Bishop signing out. Awesome.